Hey guys, what's up? This is Nick, and this is the fifth video in the How to Make Your Own Jarvis playlist, and today we're going to be learning how to add iTunes functions to your Jarvis program. Now to do this, you of course have to have iTunes installed, and what we're going to do is we're going to have to add the iTunes library to your references. And to do that, just click Project and click Add Reference. And go under the comms section right here, and then search for iTunes. And what we're going to do is we're going to select iTunes type library right here. Now it might be a different version for you, but they're pretty much all the same. So just press OK. And then what this does is it adds it to your references in the program, which allows you to import it. Now to import it, you just like anything else, type using iTunes lib. And then we're going to have to create a new object. Now an object is basically just a reference to the class. So what we're going to do is we're going to do iTunes app. Now iTunes app is just a class within the iTunes library, and we're going to name this object iTunes. So new. So now we can access the iTunes pause and play functions. So now we just have to add another command to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to process command 2, and we're going to add another else if statement. So else if c.contains play. Oh. We're going to type iTunes.play. And that's it. So let's go ahead and test this out. Now, I always open up iTunes before I open up Jarvis, just to make sure it doesn't lag or crash or anything like that. And it's best just to select a playlist or just a song in general, just to make sure iTunes knows what to play and doesn't just play some crappy song or anything like that. So let's go ahead and test this out. Play music. Yep. And that's it. So now that we've added the play command, let's go ahead and add another command. So we're going to say else if c.contains pause. Because if you have a play command, you of course have to have a pause command, right? So we're going to say iTunes.pause. And that's it for the pause commands. So let's go ahead and add a skip command. So else if contain. And it's going to be iTunes.nextTrack. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and test pause and skip. Play music. Skip. Pause music. And there we go. So I was going to end the video right here, but I just thought of a command that you guys will probably like. So we're just going to add another command, and we're going to say else if C contains, oh, what did I do? Nothing. And we're going to say name of song. And what we're also going to do is we're going to add an OR statement. And what an OR statement is it's just two vertical bars. So we're going to add two vertical bars, and they'll just look like two L's, but they're not. They're the vertical bars. If you enter two L's, it's going to give you a compiling error, so don't do that. And we're going to say c.contains again. And we're going to put inside that, we're going to put song name. Now we do this so we could either say, Jarvis, what's the name of this song, or what's the song name, and Jarvis would pick up either or and do the same thing for both of those. And what we're going to tell him to do is we're going to tell him to just speak. We're going to tell him to speak iTunes dot current track dot name, and we're going to add a plus. We're going to space by iTunes.currenttrack.artist. And this will make Jarvis say the current track name and the current track artist. So let's go ahead and test this out. Play music. Pause music. What's the song name?
Lifestyle feat. Young Thug and Rich Homie Quang by Rich Gang.
So that might sound a little bit weird because the featuring abbreviation and stuff like that. So that's about it for today. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, comment below. Thank you, and have a good day.